Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee, and if you talk about Middle Eastern cuisine and you want a favorite vegetarian dish, what will be it? I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful falafel in your kitchen. Now, falafel is basically made with chickpeas, छोले. इसको रात भर भिगो के रखना है, बॉयल नहीं करना है. In hummus and other recipes, you need boiled chickpeas. This is raw chickpeas soaked overnight. So I'm going to put this in a mixer jar, and these ingredients will go in to make the falafel. Some chopped parsley, some chopped coriander leaves, some onions, few green chilies, spring onions, dhania powder, jeera powder, black pepper powder, garlic and some mint leaves. इसको कर देते हैं अच्छी तरह से ग्राइंड. So after the food processor has done all its hard work, take the mixture out. Now mix in the sesame seeds and mix in some atta. You can also use besan. This is just for binding. अभी इसको छोटा छोटा राउंड्स बना के डीप फ्राई करना है. This should be fried till they are golden brown in color. Now it's beautiful and golden color. Let me take out the falafels. First, let me prepare a falafel bowl. For that, place some hummus. Place these falafel balls. You can cut them into half. Then place some salad. Arrange some pita bread also on the side. Put some hot sauce. Some onions. You can also add a bit of these pickled beets. Then finally some sriracha mayonnaise and some garlic sauce. And how cool does this look? For making a falafel pocket, take any pita bread, cut it into half. अभी half करने के बाद आपको एक pocket मिलेगा ऐसे. In this pocket, you have to basically fill up some garlic sauce, some sriracha mayo, some salad, add some hummus in it and some falafels which we just made. हाथ से ऐसे तोड़ के इसको इसके अंदर दे दो. You can also add a bit of these pickled beets, then a drizzle of sriracha mayonnaise again and top it up with some garlic sauce. And here you go, a beautiful falafel pocket.